Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check your disk space on Linux using terminal. So in order to check your disk space using terminal, of course you have to first of all open your terminal. And now we need to type in a command that looks like this, df -h. And as you can see, here you have your disk space. For me it's almost 50 gigabytes. That -h makes that we have our disk space shown in the gigabytes or megabytes, because without it would still work. But you can see it's big numbers that are not really nice to read, so it's better to use that -h option. And that will be all in this video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.